Hello everyone, I'm going to show you my website today. It's stitchesofhope7.wordpress.com on learn how to thread and use a sewing machine. Please pardon my voice or if I cough or sniffle. I've been sick and I'm trying to get over it. I was hoping I would be over it before I showed you this website. So this is my home page and it's just learn how to thread and use a sewing machine, and it just gives like the basic information of have you always wanted to do this? Let's get started. On the left you can see that I have links to each one of my pages, but also at the bottom of the page I have it so that it's more viewable for cell phones and tablets, because otherwise they would have to click the little thing to open the links and then go to the next link. So on the bottom of each page I have to where they can just click to the next link. So my next page is History of the Sewing Machine, and it's just a little bit of information on how the sewing machine was first invented, when it was, and then kind of a look into to see where sewing machines have changed throughout the years. The next page is Learn the Parts of the Sewing Machine. So this has all of them identified, and then it has what each one of the parts do. And then down on the bottom is where I have the quick survey to see if the lesson was helpful or not. And then once you click it and hit submit, it tells you can close this window because I do have it set to open in another tab. And then I have a little thank you for taking the survey. Okay. The next page is Learn how to thread a sewing machine. It has a diagram, and then there's a video that also shows you how to thread that sewing machine. It's a short little 3-minute video that just helps to make sure that they understand. The next page is basic sewing information. First you'll see that there's some stitches that shows you what the different stitches mean, the width and the length. And then there's a video showing step by step on what to do. And so then there's a little guideline. I have a paragraph that tells you what you need to do. Here is my quiz for parts of the sewing machine. Here as well I have it to where it opens up in a new window, and at the end of the quiz it tells them to close the window. My next page is just some of my completed sewing projects, just to give you some inspiration. If it's something you've always wanted to do, now's the best time. It's not as hard as a lot of people think it is. So you can just browse through and see all of the completed projects that I've done throughout the years. And then once you get to the very bottom of the page, that's where you will see the link for Contact Us. Click here to contact us. And then here's the information if you want to submit that, and that is my website. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Have a great day, y'all.